Ladies and gentlemen, first ever Hyundai Palisade.
You may have. But it's not really about size. It's by far the most advanced, luxurious vehicle we have ever made, demonstrating our capabilities to compete head-on. In 2014, we outlined the new premium direction for our dealers. Really a new look, a new feel, a way of doing business. And that's paired with the leading quality of our vehicles. This year, J.D. Power Survey Initial Quality ranked us in the top 3 among all brands. And for 2018, we're on an all-out product offensive. We brought out 6 new vehicles and previewed a couple more. As a result, despite a declining industry, Hyundai has been growing for the past 8 months, proving that this formula is working for the brand and our dealers. Now, this has resulted in a number of significant awards. Now, chief among them at the Detroit Auto Show just last month. Now, designed predominantly for the North American market, the exterior of the Palisade manages to be imposing while still conveying exceptional elegance. It's the very definition of what we call modern premium. Very strong body lines, unique window surround, 20-inch wheels, all keeping the proportions in balance. And what is increasingly important to consumers these days is lighting. And one of our goals was to have the Palisade be immediately identifiable even at night. That meant strong and stately daytime running lights. And at the rear, the Palisade features hidden LED signature. And onto the interior. Designers, well, they're inspired by the look of a yacht. We've also set the standard in terms of materials. The wood trim, drop dead gorgeous. And the cabin features quilted double-stitched and perforated Napa leather. I mean, it's really just a phenomenal place to hang out, even with a dance crew. The Palisade's got some great features too. You know, we have a 10-inch touchscreen, laser-cut aluminum covers, massive center console, a full 12-inch cluster. And one of the biggest changes in the recent vehicle design has been rear seat entertainment. Since everybody's got phones and tablets, and what consumers want is for us to make it easy for them to bring along their devices. And that's why the Palisade has seat back pockets specifically designed for your devices. No less than seven USB ports with at least 2 in every row. And when you have 7 or 8 seats, you need smart and easy ways of configuring the vehicle. You can get ventilated captain's chairs for your little captains, or you have a full bench seat for the entire 8-passenger crew. And the Palisade has a one-touch second row and a power folding third row. And it can all be controlled from the cargo area. Now, I can't wait for you to get behind the wheel this summer and experience our multi-terrain H-Track all-wheel drive and the power of the 3.8 Atkinson liter V6 engine. Phenomenal.